When I learned that traders lose money because of these things, I could not believe that at first. I thought, how could anyone make such trivial mistakes? But they admitted them with me and my colleagues in private conversations. So, omitting the names, I will share these mistakes with you to help you stop losing and make gains. The first mistake is not liking and subscribing to my videos. You might think, I'm way too smart to like things on command. Well, let's see. When you don't like my videos, it makes me sad. When I'm sad, I don't make new videos. If I don't make new videos, why will you ask questions like how to get money? Jokes aside, just like and subscribe to make me happy. Alright, let's get into it for real. We'll start with a message I want to relay to the high-performance traders. Dear friends, if you have $100,000 at your disposal to invest in online trading, please make sure you have a top-of-the-line laptop and the fastest internet connection. Not a 15-year-old dinosaur that takes 5 minutes to load a chart. You think I'm joking? Well, I'm not. I personally know a guy who lost thousands of dollars because his laptop was so slow and the connection was so bad he could not even spot the price action on time to make the right trades. So please, again, it's the 21st century, the technology era is upon us. Get yourself a good laptop to enjoy making gains on your trades. Next up is the problem of the minimum deposit. Yes, on Olymptrade you can start trading with just $1. But if you literally deposit just $1, how high do you think your chances of surviving the market will be? Not very high, especially if you use multipliers. And that's exactly what many traders do. So here's a common failure formula for you. Low deposit plus low experience plus high multiplier, and that equals to losing money. What's the better formula then? Affordable deposit plus experience after demo plus analyzing the market. And that means making gains. I've learned that traders often confuse bonus events and charity events. To create realistic expectations on your side, let's draw a clear line between the two. A charity event is when Olymp gives away goods as gifts to help local communities. For example, on September the 11th this year, we started providing staple food boxes and aichi cups to a local community in Indonesia, Sinapas. In contrast, a bonus event is usually a trading event with certain conditions attached to it. So, if you want to withdraw the bonus funds, you will have to fulfill certain requirements. Please keep that in mind. On to withdrawals and deposits. I always have so many questions about them. Here is an easy guide for you, even if you are a complete newbie. Register an account and ask our support team which payment methods can be used in your country. Then deposit $1 and straight away withdraw it, just to see that everything works as expected. That way, you won't have to worry about it going forward. Finally, I've heard of traders confusing demo and live accounts, currency pairs, buy and sell interfaces, trading accounts. My friends, what's up with all this? We are in the money business, more precisely in the business of your money. Just pay attention to what you're doing. That alone will take care of half of the trivial mistakes that eat up your hard-earned cash. Alright, enough preaching for today. I hope you liked and subscribed. Well, did you? I'm becoming sad again. Anyway, watch this and this to help you get started in online trading. And I'll be back soon. See you.
Olymptrade. Care that counts.